Hey, how's it going, everybody? Newcastle Ninja here, and on this unseasonably warm 68-degree day in November, I got a really nice one I saw on Amazon. This is from Sitivien, and this is the Sitivien ST145. And what initially drew me to this was that blade. That blade has got some really cool and very different kind of jimping on it, and it's very practical too. It's just got enough bite on it really it feels comfortable, but really lets you just get a full grip on that handle. And this has been very impressive since I just got it. What's most impressive is the price and for what you are getting. Now this is not D2, but it's 14C28N steel. This is for $29.99 on Amazon, and it's got different versions that you can get. I went with the black handle and the satin blade. This also comes with a brown handle with a black tumbled kind of blade. There's also a green handle G10 with black blade. And finally, there's a jade version with the satin finish, and it's it's surprising me how much I'm really digging it. So let's see what we got here. We got ball bearing action. That's a good thing, and flips out just fine. I did notice that there's just sometimes I might feel a little bit of grit, but I think the more that I'm flipping it, it's not so much a lock stick, but I'm feeling something on the end of that blade that's maybe connecting. But the lockup on this is really impressive, I gotta say, and very centered. So overall, we are looking at a 7.76 inch knife. The blade itself is 3.43 inches, and it's got a Rockwell hardness rated of 59 to 61, so that's pretty cool. The handle is 4.33 inches, and this is only 3.28 ounces. So it's a very slender knife, very neutral grip, and you got nice access to that liner. And there you go. Yep, it's a right side deep pocket clip only, and you got the screws there, but it's a nice clip. Doesn't provide any hot spots. You got these really neat blue kind of purplish type of pivot rings around there, and I seen that on the jade one as well. I almost got the jade one, and I'm telling you, for the money, this has been pretty impressive. I've been growing more and more to like Sitivien. I seek them out on occasion and when I'm on Amazon and so forth, and yeah, it's got really nice G10 on it. You can see the grains there, and doesn't have so much of a pillar construction because you do have that G10 backspacer, which has some interesting jimping on it itself. Now reverse grip, it might feel right there on the top, and the way that just goes, it lets your thumb rest just comfortably. I can get all digits on the handle there very comfortably. A very nice round contoured grip, and you see how it kind of swells on the end a little bit, so that's also very comfortable as well. Now I did find that maybe with a flick of the wrist I can use my thumb to get that spidey flick out. You can also use this thumb hole, get it like so too. Let's see if I can flip it out. Yeah, I can flip it out that way, so D10's not too strong on this one, but sometimes that's a good thing, and I'm not complaining. So there you go. It's a nice, cheapy, nice beater, and it's let's see how sharp it is. If I can do this. A little harder with one hand, but oh yeah. Oh, look at that. That's razor sharp. So there you go. That is the Sitivien ST145. I'm Newcastle Ninja. I hope you liked the video. Love to see a like, and I'd love to have your you clicking on that subscription there too. It'd be nice to have you join the gang here, and I try to put out as many videos as I can. I'm buying these all with my own money. I'm not getting supplied these knives, so I'm just a regular Joe with a lot of knives to show, and things that, you know, if you might like this, and give it a gander, and definitely give me a subscription if you can get one. I'd appreciate it too. I'll see you guys on the next one. Take care.